for this first one, you're going to need a black card, some small hearts, a flower pot picture or drawing, glue, a marker and a pencil, and scissors. First thing that I'm going to do is highlight the flower pot that I drew by hand with a black Sharpie. Depending on what color you're going with, you can use any Sharpie color that you want. And after I finish highlighting it, I'm going to cut it out with my scissors. Now that I have my flower pot cut out, I'm going to glue it on to the bottom part of the front part of the card. That was a lot of parts in one sentence, but you get what I'm saying. Then I'm going to add my small hearts to the front over the flower pot in any kind of position that you want, as long as they look pleasing to you. Then it's fine, fine, fine. After gluing on the hearts, I use the pencil to draw lines connecting the hearts straight to the flower pot. So it's like they're growing out of the flower pot. Yeah. So now you can personalize the inside of your card with whatever saying that you feel is right. The next DIY, you're going to need a longer piece of purchase paper, white purchase paper, and these small hearts. I folded the sides in so they meet in the middle, like you see doing here. And then with a white piece of purchase paper that is smaller than the front of the paper, fold it in half and then cut out a heart, like half a heart shape, so that when you open up the piece of paper, it's a whole heart. You know? Yeah. So I do that, and then I cut the heart in half and glue it to the front, gluing each side to one side of the flap. Smaller heart to the front, only glue down half of the heart to one side of the card. Then I added two more hearts, a small one and a smaller one, and I just added to and from on those hearts. This one can be used as a gift for friends or whoever, anything. So using your paintbrush or your paint sponge, you make a heart shape, make a heart outline, and then you can let that dry or just know that you have it, and then you make another like piece over the other side of the heart, because we're going to make a candied heart, the 3D version. So that's why we need that other piece. You'll see what I do in the video so you can understand what I'm talking about, because I don't think I explained it well. But after it's dried, you just draw on with a marker and that's it. For this last one, it didn't turn out as much as I want, as best as I wanted it, but here it is anyway. Get a heart and you cut it like with a broken heart, fragile, whatever. It's a broken heart. Then you glue it onto the front of the paper, and with a band-aid you tape over the front of it. And then for a little cute stain in the middle, I wrote, "You healed my heart." Because not all relationships are